Breaking news again, everyone. Make sure to share this information to our kababayan. Please don't do flag polling right now. Kasi po, may mga nagbabalitaan ako na nagpa-flag polling ang ginagawa na ng mga officer. Nowadays, kinukuha yung passport, kinuhold until you are going to book your ticket or dinadala yung passport na original sa airport na once you're about to go for a flight. As an immigration consultant right now, please don't do flag pulling. Pinapabalik po ang karamihan ng ating mga kababayan. I tried once before and mabuti na lang yung client ko hindi pinabalik but they returned back the application and then we came back to Canada when we did the flag pulling. But right now, naririnig ko na pinapabook na or hinuhold yung kanilang passport and then pinapabalik. The reason is, di ba nung pumunta kayo dito, tourist visa, and sinabi nyo na gusto nyo pumunta dito just to visit the family or see Canada temporarily. Tapos nag-a-apply kayo ng work permit. Ngayon, officers can say it na you are misrepresenting your first application. However, possible pa rin na mag-apply kayo online. That's the remedy. Apply online kasi karamihan doon, mostly, hindi officers ang nag-assess noon. It is an AI or artificial intelligence. So, I recommend right now, apply for work permit under the any kind of LMIA sa online. Don't go for flag pulling for now. Stay tuned, please. Don't forget to share this video. This is Norlene Ligusama, your licensed immigration consultant.